but I'll keep on doing so. But remember, we're just a few hours to the election. I said before, we are assuring Bayelsans, residents, and strangers that the election will be devoid of violence. Anybody threatening peace or who is threatening for violence will be arrested and dealt with. I've said it several times. We are not sparing even their principals. They said the fish rots from the head. If we arrest the aide and the principal is let loose, then what precedents are we setting? Therefore, any unfortunate principal who finds himself in cross line, my advice to him is that he'll be arrested. Otherwise, he should not even try it. And principals, that was the principal, VIPs and the rest of them, should not come to the voting centers with their aides. If they do, if they have the immunity, well, we'll share the immunity, but we're going to get arrested. We're going to get the aides arrested. Is that clear? You don't seem to understand me.
I understand.
The message should go straight to them. They are hearing me now, loud and clear. Nobody, no principal should come to any voting center with his aides. Otherwise, the aides will be arrested. And the principal, if you have the immunity, will be arrested and treated according to the law.